It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Friday, June 23rd. Another very active weather day expected across Alabama today, but the news is good if you're looking for drier and calmer weather late this weekend and through early next week. Water vapor satellite view early this morning. Deep tropical moisture in place, the remnant circulation of Cindy off to the west. Let's roll a GOES 16 water vapor loop. These things are just beautiful. It's a new satellite. Technically, this is not operational yet. It will be soon. But again, you see Cindy's kind of stretching out to the west, but this deep tropical moisture covers Alabama. Very high dew points. In fact, check out the actual dew point observations. Dew point 75 in Tuscaloosa and the Shelby County Airport to start the day. Not going to take a lot to squeeze rain out of this air mass. In fact, it is raining early this morning. That was the radar about 5 o'clock. Across parts of north and central Alabama. Nothing severe, but again, things will get active later today. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Still heat problems for parts of Texas and way out west in the deserts where they've been just baking. And in the east, flash flood watches all the way from parts of Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, up to Cincinnati and almost Pittsburgh. In Alabama, that's a look at the flash flood watch for our part of the state. It includes Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, as again, tropical downpours are likely today. And once again, the chance of these isolated tornadoes today. We've got the standard slight risk of severe weather, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, and points north. A marginal risk as far south as Grove Hill, Greenville, Tuskegee, and Opelika. So today, the main action will be across the northern half of the state. But the good news tomorrow, no severe weather expected. Storms, yes. Severe, no. A marginal risk east of the state. And on day 3, which is Sunday, we're even out of the green as dry air drops in here. And we're going to get a nice break from the rain for the first half of next week. Additional rain for the next 7 days. The bulk of this will be today and tomorrow. Amounts between 1 and 2 inches. The bullseye around Tuscaloosa with 2.7. That's the reason that flash flood watch continues. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground where the pressure level is 500 millibars. Troughing north of the state, that'll be pulling the remnant circulation of Cindy north. That's the surface chart. Cindy is all stretched out and dissipated, but again, we're in a very moist air mass. Here's the HER model at 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can see a band of showers and strong storms through here, and those could rotate because of the high SRH values. This is the storm relative helicity, 0 to 1 kilometer. You can see the higher shear values are basically along and north of Interstate 20. So, from I-20 north seems to be the highest risk of tornadoes, and the shear values are high extending up into Tennessee. So even up into Huntsville and Nashville, Knoxville, they'll have to watch for these rotating storms and isolated tornadoes today, much like yesterday. Tomorrow, the dynamic sport's kind of gone, but a surface cold front drops in from the north. And again, we'll have to maintain a pretty good chance of showers and storms tomorrow. Not going to rain all day, but should rain at times, maybe some heavy downpours. But look at Sunday. Dry air moves into North Alabama. The better chance of any showers Sunday, shifting down to the southern half of the state. I think from Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston north, the day should be dry. Highs in the low to mid-80s. And then Monday, a really nice day. The dew points drop. Well, I think we'll be in the 50s Monday morning. It's going to feel like fall. And Monday's high only in the low to mid-80s. A bright sunny sky, low humidity. Same thing Tuesday. Temperatures below average. A nice continental air mass. Wednesday, same deal. We're dry, mid-80s. And Thursday. So there's a chance we go Sunday through Thursday with no rain, which is very odd for June. Typically, it rains somewhere every day in the afternoon hours here. And then a week from today, this is Friday, June 30th, the end of the month, troughing across the high plains, and moisture starts to come back. We'll bring back the chance of a few showers toward the end of next week, but again, nothing too heavy or widespread. Hey, check this out. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday over the 4th of July weekend. This is July 2nd. That's a pretty deep trough over the eastern U.S. and a surface front that's coming down the pike, and that would suggest a chance of showers and storms and maybe another shot of dry continental air. Check out the numbers. These are just not bad for summer. We do creep up there toward 90 after the 4th of July, but still, goodness, we could be baking this time of the year. We all know that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. If the weather allows, the next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Notes, of course, always on AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.